This guy tried to overtake from behind, but in the process, he managed to hit not one but two cars. To top it off, he almost ended up getting a beatdown for his trouble.
I don't know.
This driver had the misfortune of encountering not one, but two bad drivers.
What the fuck? No way. You f***ing serious? On a f***ing bend? Are you f***ing serious? Dumb. It's alright, camera lad. Professional driver? What a f***ing idiot.
This driver found himself caught in a road rage incident. He tried to escape the raging driver, but couldn't shake them off. This driver took his car to Walmart for an oil change, but the technician didn't secure the hood properly, causing it to fly up on the highway and result in $5,000 in damages.
For a president trying to get, in and out of diners, and he is such a high profile.
Yeah, this is a very small diner. I've been to the Red Arrow diner. It's iconic in politics. And the owner was actually when Trump or the various other candidates. She said when Trump comes, there's this massive crowd. She also praised Nikki Haley, said she's very good at interacting with voters, and she loved Tim Scott. So you get a real feel for these candidates.
Oh my gosh. Jeez.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, what a cunt. Oh, that's just a shame. Sake. Take my number down quick.
A bad driver tried to skip the queue but ended up blocking the entire lane, turning impatience into a traffic jam.
Extremely bright, but disintegrated as it neared the sun, resulting in a much less impressive display. Conversely, Comet Neowise in 2020 exceeded expectations, becoming one of the most memorable comets of recent years. Studying comets
Oh, no.
existed during the solar system's formation. Observing this comet could provide valuable data on the Oort cloud, a distant region
Yeah, that guy just hit me.
believed to be the source of
He just bounced. But it's all good because I have a dash cam.
help scientists
If you don't mind me,
scientific studies of supersonic
I appreciate.
to involve both ground-based
Man, can I please get both of y'all information? I appreciate that.
some tips. The best times for viewing
That's crazy.
morning hours just before dawn.
Yeah.
That's why I'm confused. The U-Haul truck he just had. While the comet may be visible to the naked eye.
A young driver couldn't handle the car's speed and power, ending up hitting the palm tree. Luckily, no one was injured, except maybe their pride.
Seriously? Oh my god.
He hit someone.
A white car drove recklessly, almost hitting the driver with dashcam and then colliding with a truck. The driver pulled over but fled shortly after. The video was given to the truck driver and police for the hit and run.
Dude, just don't look at this. Dude!
Driver gets instant karma after running a red light.
No way!
Whoa!
Oh my god.
You see that?
You got it on your dash cam?
Yep.
Luckily, the dashcam recorded the driver's license plate, helping secure compensation for the accident.
Yes, I do. Yes.
Debris on the road nearly caused a major accident. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.